What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be speaking about how to cross the Vermillius Gap in the safest way possible. Now, obviously, you'll need some kind of a vehicle. This is just a sand bike, and on the back, I've attached one of these booster packs. This I found somewhere, as you're not able to craft it by default. It needs some iron, so if you're still stuck in the first area, you're not going to be able to craft this, but I did get it from a chest somewhere, I'm pretty sure, so it's going to help me get across there a bit faster, which should mean also a bit safer. By default, the bike reaches, say, 60. By holding Q and activating this boost, it heats up a lot more, but it can also reach about 90. What you want to do to cross the Vermillius Gap in the safest way possible is to head across to this area on the western side of the Haga Basin South. Zooming in just above this main area here where you come for your quests, this is where you're going to start. Then you're going to follow along this pathway here, roughly. It should be a pretty smooth way to cross to this area here. That's one of the shortest or most traveled ways. Now we can pretty safely avoid hills and things like that, which may slow us down. If I travel across here, you can see exactly what I'm speaking about. Crossing during the daytime shouldn't be too much of an issue, but you can always choose to cross later. As you can see over here, look at how smooth this area is compared to that and that. Once again, right about here. We'll cross straight across here in a northeasterly way. Obviously, you want these sandworms to be as far away from this area as possible, and if you reach the halfway point or just before the halfway point and a sandworm is about to pop out, I'd recommend just turning around and coming back. If you're past the halfway point, you kind of just need to send it. I'm moving a lot of my base here, so hopefully things go well. I'll hop in, and of course, you could also use an inventory on your bike instead of a speed boost, which should help you get across there with more items. So here we go. Keep your eyes and ears open, and as you can see, there's a worm coming here. Definitely a bad idea to cross right now. We'll wait for them to go away and try again. So there they go. Let's try again. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see through most of this as the hills cover the sides, but if you see one breaching, either send it or turn around and head back. For me, it seems like a pretty quiet time to cross. I don't even think there is a worm. No, there's one over there. It takes a while to breach, so we should happily be able to reach the other side before this thing gets close to us if you're past the halfway point, which I definitely am. So there we go. We're already across the Vermillius Gap, and the worm has barely started to chase us. Anyways, that's really that. It's not that difficult at all. It's scarier than it seems, but as long as you time things right, you should be fine. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.